Nigerian TV.
Are you not a police officer? It's not officer. If I'm leaving a place for another, what's your concern about? Are you a political? Are you an APC chairman? Are you the PDP chairman?
Ondo State Deputy Governor Agboola Ajayi, they engaged in an altercation with the State Commissioner of Police, Bolaji Salami. The Deputy Governor was on Saturday night prevented from entering his official residence by the police following news of his planned defection from the APC to the PDP. Reacting to the matter on Sunday, Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike described the action of the police as meddlesome, irresponsible, and partisan.
The police had reduced themselves to where politicians will not send them. Go and stop this deputy governor not to move out. Police have reduced themselves to that level. Why would you go and stop a deputy governor? Simply because you heard that he was defecting. And I watched it on television. A CP saying so. Is the CP a member of the political party? See where we are. It's unfortunate. And nothing will happen to him. Nothing, as I speak to you, nothing will happen. Because you have been told, do it, nothing will happen to you.
Like the case of the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, Governor Wike again frowned at the silence of the APC-led Nigeria Governors Forum over the treatment meted out to the Ondo State Deputy Governor.
And now we are the Governors Forum. We are not Governors Forum of APC. We are Governors Forum as Governors Forum. All the political parties who, by the grace of God, have governors, we all meet and discuss. But we will not even defend that. Declare that what they have done, CP, what you have done is wrong. A deputy governor has immunity.
Nyesom Wike also had harsh words for civil society and human rights groups.
Where is Femi Falana? Today I call Femi Falana. Where are you? Look at this. Look at police stopping a deputy governor on the rumor that he was going to defect. He shouldn't go out. Femi Falana does not know that that is a violation of his fundamental human rights. And people think that we can be deceived, playing ethnic politics. I will not accept that.
The Rivers State Governor again warned that unless something urgent is done, Nigeria may soon slide into anarchy, saying that the country cannot afford a situation where the culture of impunity becomes the order of the day. Agboola Ajayi, AIT News, Port Harcourt.
DJ TV.